Hey YouTube land, quick tip here. I just moved my trailer bunks. I made it wider because it was too narrow on the hull. But however, when you loosen them, they flop around. So I'm like, oh, what adjustment is that? So anyway, I just made them, barely, they are loose, so that when I pull the ski up on it, obviously they're not going to come off, but it's going to contour to the boat hull. So anyway, rather than a guessing game, that's the best way. It's going to be custom, and I suspect a success there. This maiden voyage went great. One thing though, and this was a concern I had, you see the pollution with the plastic bags and everything, but somebody released helium balloons and there was a cluster of them. And anyway, I tried grabbing them, but they were moving too fast. And look at all this debris and pollution, man. Be careful, people. It sucks. And I was real paranoid about sucking them balloons up in my Waverunner. But anyway, the top, I don't know if my speedometer is accurate. I went through this before. I got to get a GPS. But anyway, it was a ton of fun. Ran good. It's not taking on water. So overall, this was a great success. And now I will be in the water every chance I can get because it's fun. And it was my first time on this river. I had no clue. Used basic navigation and was fine. And this is an awesome ramp. I love it. Love these free ramps. Back in the day, you had to go to a marina and pay when I was young, and that's a drag. These free county marinas. I'm on a small river in Maryland. The free ramps, they rock. And this is free and I love it. Anyway, so we'll see how that goes. I'll update you, but as you can see, it's looking good. Let it contour to the hull, and then when I get it out of the water, I will tighten it up. With that being said, peace out.